Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own Facebook catalog, empowering you to efficiently showcase and manage your available items for optimal visibility and sales on Facebook and Instagram. Before you begin, ensure you have the following. Facebook page. You need a Facebook page for your business. Facebook Business Manager account. A Business Manager account is necessary to manage your catalog and other business assets. If you require assistance with setting up a Business Manager account, simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen or visit the link provided for detailed instructions. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of creating your Facebook catalog. Go to business.facebook.com. Click the drop-down menu located at the bottom of the Meta Business Suite logo. Click the Create a Business Portfolio button. Fill out the fields for business portfolio name, first name, last name, and business email. Then click the Create button. Select the checkbox next to the Facebook pages you wish to manage within the business portfolio you are creating. Add people by email to grant them access to your business portfolio. Then click Next. You can skip this step if preferred. Review the details you entered in your business portfolio, then click the Confirm button. Once you've created your business portfolio, navigate to the All Tools tab. In the Sell Products and Services section, find and click on Commerce. After clicking on Commerce, you will be redirected to another tab. Once there, click the Get Started button, select Create a Catalog, and then click the Get Started button. Select Online Products under the e-commerce option, then click the Next button. You can either change the catalog name or leave it as the default, then click the Create button. Your Facebook catalog has been successfully created. You can view it by clicking the View Catalog button. With all these configurations in place, you can seamlessly upload and manage your available items, ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your audience on both Facebook and Instagram platforms. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by regularly visiting our website and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.